It's your boy, Dollar Bills Prank Compilations number 32, back with another banger video. Today we're gonna be doorbell ditching some little losers in my neighborhood. I got kicked out of my house last week, and I want to thank you two Patreon sponsors giving me 50 cents a month for supplying me with the money to be able to buy a ounce of crack cocaine. Water bills are going high, but guess who's higher? It's me. Now let's go ring some doorbells. So let's go doorbell ditch this little loser.
Hey son, so your friends are kind of late, aren't they? It's your birthday today, isn't it? Where are your friends? Dad, it's like this every year. What about that boy, the boy Jeremy? Jeremy, where's Jeremy, huh? Jeremy? Jeremy said he's hanging out with his girlfriend today. He says she goes to another school, but I think he's lying. Oh, well, what about, Kenny? Kenny from art, He seemed like a nice boy. Is he gonna be showing up? I don't know where Kenny is. He said he's coming, but I think he's ditching again. Every time we move somewhere, it's like this. I don't think I'll ever be able to make friends. Listen, son, I know money's been tight, and I haven't been able to get you much this year, and your friends aren't showing up to your party, but just know we're family, and that means we're close. So no matter what happens, I'm gonna always love you. Thanks, Dad. I wouldn't give up hope just yet. I'm sure someone's gonna show up. I just have a good feeling about this year, you know? Do you hear that? I think someone showed up to your party. Really? Let's go.